Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 29th of September on 2024. So we will start from class 6th and the subject is physics. Let us start our discussion. So question number first. In question number first, it is asked which of the following does not get involved while measuring the size of an object. We know that while measuring the size of an object, length is involved, area is involved, volume is also involved, but mass is not involved. So correct answer is option D. Next question, question number 2. Which type of image is formed by a plane mirror? We know that a plane mirror always form a virtual image which is erect in nature. Okay, so we'll see here. So the image formed by a plane mirror is not real. It is always virtual. So virtual is correct. Erect, all the virtual images are always erect. So this is also true. Inverted is absolutely wrong. And the image formed by a plane mirror is always equal to the size of object. So magnification is always 1. So magnified is also wrong. So correct answer is virtual and erect. So the correct option will be second and third. That means option B is our correct answer. Next question, question number 3. So what do you mean by the term canoe? Canoe is a term, it is a kind of a small boat which is used for traveling across a river. So it is a type of, basically it is a type of boat. Okay, so correct answer is option C. Next question, question number 4. In question number 4, this is a assertion and reason type question. So let us read assertion. Shadow of an opaque object is formed when it is placed in the path of light. Yes, that is absolutely true statement. Opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them. This is the reason why shadow is formed. So assertion and reason both are true, and reason is correct explanation of assertion. So the correct answer will be option A. Next question, question number 5. So we have to match the column 1 with column 2. So let's see. 100 decameters. So decameters means 1 decameter means it is equals to 10 to the power 1 meter. Okay. So 100 decameter means 100 multiplied by 10, that is equals to 1000 meters. So in column 2 we can see option 2 1 kilometer which is also equals to 1000 meter, and option 4 is 1000 meter. So for P either 2 is correct or 4 is correct. In our code 4 is not given, so I am writing for P option 2. Okay, then 100 millimeter, we know that in 1 millimeter there are 10 to the power minus 3 meters. So 100 millimeter means 100 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3, which is equals to 10 to the power minus 1 meter, or we can say 0.1 meter. So 0.1 meter or 10 to the power minus 1 meter is equals to 1 decimeter. Okay, 1 decimeter. 1 decimeter is equals to 10 to the power minus 1 meter. So for Q I will write 3. 1 kilometer, as we know that 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters. So for R I will write 4. And 1 meter is equals to 10 decimeter as we have discussed earlier. So for S I will write 1. So correct code will be 2341. So 2341, that means option C is our correct answer. Okay, next question. That is based on paragraph. So in paragraph some conditions are given. On the basis of that conditions, question is asked. Question 6. What will be the value of angle of reflection if the angle made by incident ray and reflected ray is 60 degree? So let us draw a ray diagram. So this is a reflecting surface, and if this is an incident ray, this is incident ray, okay, and that is our reflected ray, and it is given in question that angle between incident ray and reflected ray is 60 degree. So from second law we know that angle I is equals to angle R. So let us draw a normal. So if total angle is 60 degree and angle I is equals to angle R, so this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be also 30 degree. Okay, So our correct answer will be option B. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, it is asked, according to first law of reflection, as we know that first law of reflection is that incident ray, normal and reflected ray will lie on same plane. So I think option C, it is given the incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal all lie in same plane. So our option C is our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad or any update, subscribe this YouTube channel and join our WhatsApp channel. The link of WhatsApp channel is given in description of this video. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can apply on Ask a button, which is given on your profile of MOF. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Now we will discuss the MOF paper solution of class 6, which was conducted on 29 September 2024. Let's see the question. The question is, make a classification key for the following substances. And the substances are ice, wax, stone and plasticine. These all are the solids, but they have the different properties. Like ice and stones are classified like the hard solids, and the wax and plasticines are classified in the category of soft solids. Plasticine, basically plasticine is a material like clay. Basically plasticines are made up by the calcium salts, petroleum jelly and different aliphatic acids. Okay, now let's see the options. The options are soluble and insoluble solids. No, it is not classified on the basis of the soluble and insoluble solids. Elastic and rigid solids. No. Transparent and opaque solids. No. So the option B is the right option, because these solids are classified on the basis of their appearance, means hard and soft. So the ice and stone are hard solids, and the wax and plasticine, which is similar like clay, is classified into the soft solids. So the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, the given flow chart was prepared by Shakshi for sorting materials into different groups. Fill in the blanks by selecting an appropriate options. Okay, so there are different type of the materials. Like the first is iron pin, second is paper boat, third is lemon juice, next is diesel, sunflower oil and sugar. Now they are classified into two categories. First is edible and second is non-edible. And then edible substances is further classified into soluble in water and insoluble in water, and and further classified into solid, liquid and these type of the different phases. Okay, now let's see the first. First is iron pin. We know that iron pin is a non-edible substances. Okay, so the iron pin is a non-edible substance, and then the non-edible substance further classified into two categories. First is floats on water and second is sinks in water. We know that the iron pin is not floats on water. Iron pin is sinks in water. So the U is iron pin. Okay, now let's see the option. In the option A, U is paper boat. So it might be a wrong option. In option B, U is diesel. It is also a wrong option. In the option C, U is iron pin, and D is in option D, U is also iron pin. Now let's see the next. Next is paper boat. We know that paper boat is also non-edible substance. So the non-edible substance further classified into floats on water and sinks in water. We know that the paper boat is floats on water and the paper boat is solid substance. So the S is maybe paper boat. Now let's see the options. In the option C, the S is sugar, and in the option D, the S is paper boat. So maybe it is a right option. Now let's see the next thing things also. Next is lemon juice. We know that lemon juice is an edible substance and lemon juice is soluble in water and it is liquid in nature. So maybe Q is lemon juice, and we can easily identify that in the option D, Q is lemon juice. Now let's see the next. Next is diesel. Diesel is non-edible substances, it is floats on water and it is liquid in nature. So T is diesel, and in this option T is diesel. Now let's see the next. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is edible substances and it is insoluble in water. So R is sunflower oil and R is sunflower oil. So the option D is right option. Now the last is sugar. We know that sugar is edible substance, it is soluble in sugar and it is present in the solid state. So P is sugar. So all the options P, Q, R, S, T and U are matched with the option D. So the option A, B and C are wrong option and option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question, and the statement are: assertion is naphthalene balls are kept in open air in order to maintain their state. Basically, naphthalene is a substance which is sublimable substance. Sublimable substance means sublimation is a process in which solid state directly convert into vapor phase. Okay, so naphthalene balls are kept in open air in order to maintain their states. No, naphthalene balls are not maintain their state. Basically, if we put the naphthalene balls in open air, so it convert into the vapor phase. So the assertion is false statement. Now let's see the reason. The reason is the process of conversion of a solid directly into vapor state on heating is called sublimation. Yes, it is a right statement. We can say reason is true statement. There is a process which is called sublimation in which solids are directly convert into vapor state. So the reason is true statement, but assertion is false statement. Now let's see the option. The option is, first option is both assertion and reason are true. No, it is a wrong option. Now let's see the next. Both assertion and reason are the true. It is also wrong. Now let's see the next. Assertion is true and reason is false. No, assertion is false and reason is true. So the option C is also a wrong option. Now let's see the last. Assertion is false and the reason is true. Yes, the option D is a right option because naphthalene balls are sublimable substance, so it cannot maintain their state. So assertion is false statement and reason is true statement. So the option D is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Now let's see the column first. Grains and husk means in the column first there are different mixtures and in the column second there are different processes by which we can separate the different mixtures. Next Q is wheat and sugar. Next is cream and milk, and next is salt and water. In the column second, sieving, churning, evaporation and winnowing. Okay, now let's see the first process, sieving. Sieving is a process in which we can easily separate the two solids particle which have differentiated or which have different sizes. Means we can easily separate the fine particles from the larger particle. So by the sieving process we can easily separate the wheat and sugar. Okay, now the next is churning. Churning is a process in which we can isolate or we can separate the soluble solids in a liquid. Means by the churning process, by the centrifugation method. So in the churning process we can easily separate out the butter or we can say yogurt from the milk. So churning process is a good method or a good process to separate the cream and milk. So the second option is matched with the R option. Now next is the evaporation process. Evaporation process is a good method for the separation of salt and water, because by the evaporation process water is evaporate and salt is remaining, and so the salt and water is easily separate out by the evaporation process. And now last the winnowing. By the winnowing process we can easily separate the grains and husk, because grains are the heavy substances and the husk are the fine particles or lightweight particles. So by the winnowing we can easily separate the grains and husk. So the option P is matched with option 4, Q is matched with first, R is matched with second, and S is matched with third. So 4, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3 means the B is the right option for this question. Okay, now let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Let's see the paragraph first. Materials are grouped together on the basis of similarities and differences in their properties like solubility, appearance, texture, etc. Material like glass is transparent, hard, and non-magnetic. Okay, now let's see the question. The question is identify the materials which have luster. Luster is a property, or we can say that basically the luster is a property, means the substance how they reflect the light. So this property is known as the lustrous property, and basically metals are shown the lustrous properties. There are different non-metals which also show exception cases are there also, like iodine, but basically metals have the lustrous nature or lustrous property. So let's see the options. Identify the materials which have luster. So first is aluminium wires. Aluminium wires basically made up by the aluminium metal, and aluminium metal have the lustrous property. So it is a luster. And it have the lustrous property. Next is the silver plate. Silver plate is made up by the silver, and silver is also a metal. Okay, so it also have luster. Gold ring also have luster. And wooden plank. Wooden plank, I think wooden plank is made up by the non-metal substances, so it is not luster. Okay, so the option first, second, and third means first, second, and third only, means option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question, the paragraph is same for this question. Now let's see the question. The question is identify the substances which is transparent in nature. First is frosted glass. Frosted glass is not a transparent material, it is a translucent material. Next is wax paper. Wax paper is also translucent. And next is clay. Clay is also a translucent substance. And next is air. Air is a transparent substance. We know that air is a composition of different gases, and air allows the light throughout them, and it is not absorbed or reflected the light. So because of that, air is a transparent substance. So the option B is the right option for this question. Thank you. Thank you so much. And for more information, you can subscribe our YouTube channel, you can join our WhatsApp channel also. And if you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one more option, ask any doubt. Okay, so all the links are provided in the description box. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about biology paper solution for class 6th. First question for class 6 is the joint that connect the skull to the spine is an example of which type of joint? Option first, pivot joint, second, hinge joint, third, ball and socket joint, and last one is gliding joint. Our right answer for this question is pivot joint, because skull connect to the vertebral column and move in 180 direction like this called pivot joint. So right answer is first, pivot joint. Clear? Next question is which nutrient provides structural support to cells and tissue? Option first, minerals. Option B, fat. C, carbohydrate, and D, protein. Our right answer for this question is protein. Protein, because because protein help in formation of muscle structure. So right answer is protein. So many nutrients present in our food, but tissue and support to cell, that is protein. The protein is the right answer. Next one is, which mineral is a component of thyroid hormone? Option first, zinc, second, iodine, third, iron, and magnesium. Our right answer for this thyroid gland, thyroid hormone, that is iodine, because iodine help in formation of T3 and T4 hormone, T3 and T4 hormone. So our right answer is iodine. Iodine is right answer for this. And so many disorder found in deficiency of iodine, like goiter. So in a disorder found in deficiency of iodine, that is goiter, and related to thyroid gland. So right answer is iodine. Next question is, assertion regular stretching exercise improve flexibility in muscles and joints. Reason, stretching increase the elasticity of muscle and allow for greater range of motion. In assertion, regular exercise provide flexibility, that is right. And next one, reason, stretching increase elasticity of muscle and allow greater range of motion, that is also right. According to options, both assertion, reason are true, and reason correct explanation of A. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason R is not correct, that is wrong, and this one is right. Assertion A is true, reason is false, and assertion A is false. So option A is the right answer for this, because regular exercise provide flexibility in muscle and motion, so related to each other, and reason R is the correct explanation for A. Next question is, match the column first and second. Column first, forelimb, breastbone, hind limb and pectoral girdle. And column second, collarbone, humerus, sternum and femur. In skeletal system, forelimb that is related to humerus related to forelimb. Next one is breastbone, that is sternum. This one is sternum. Next, hind limb related to femur. Hind limb include femur. This one is femur. And last is pectoral girdle. Clavicle related to pectoral girdle. So our right matching is P2, that is in option D, and Q3, R4, S1. So right answer is option D. Next question is paragraph for question 19 and 20. Undernourishment is a condition of deficiency, poor absorption of excessive loss of nutrient from the body. This lead to many disease or disorder, because undernourishment is condition of deficiency and so many disease or disorder that are mainly seen in children. The deficiency of the macronutrient and micronutrient is protein energy malnutrition, PEM, and so many deficiencies, so many disease. So balanced diet is one of the contain all. Balanced diet, first question for paragraph, 19th question. Balanced diet is one that contain all protein, vitamin, mineral, nutrient, carbohydrate and fat. That is part of nutrients. So nutrients is the right answer because all nutrients are included in this. So right answer is option C. Option C is the right answer. This one is our balanced diet that include the all minerals, protein, carbohydrate, fat, so many minerals. So right answer is option C. Next question is, all the deficiency disease can be prevented by deficiency cause kwashiorkor and marasmus, so many disease. So prevented, so this disease prevented by proper sleep, exercising, vaccination, taking balanced diet. This caused by deficiency of food, deficiency of mineral, deficiency of nutrient. So our right answer for this, taking balanced diet. Balanced diet help in improvement in body system. So deficiency prevented by taking balanced diet, because balanced diet contain all nutrients. These are the all question for 6th class. And more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, once again welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 6th for math subject. So without wasting time, let's start. So first question is that take two-digit number, says 5 and 6. Make the greatest 4-digit number using both the digit equal number of times. So here we have given two digit, one is 5 and another one is 6. From which two-digit number we have make a 4-digit number, means, and each digit repeats 2 times. So we can say that 5 is repeats 2 times, 5 and 5, and we can say that 6 is repeat 2 times 6 and 6. And the digit is, which one is greatest? So first I take which one is greatest number, 6. So I can put here 6. Again greatest 6, then 5 or 5. So which one option is correct? 6, 6, 5, 5. So here option number D is correct. Now next question is that which of the following is not a symbol to write Roman numerals? So if I talk about two options, so D is the Roman numerals, yes, and the value of D is equal to 500. V is also a Roman numeral, that value is 5, and M is also a Roman numerals and that value is 1000, but N is not a Roman numeral. So here we can say that option number C is correct answer. Okay. Now if I talk about next question, we have to simplify 81 bracket 15 bracket 7 minus 2 small bracket 7 minus 3 bracket close, curly bracket close and large bracket close. So here we use BODMAS rule, that is BODMAS. In this BODMAS rule we solve first small bracket, so I can say that 81 bracket 15 7 minus 2, that is 4. I can say that. Now next step, 81 bracket 15 7 to ja 8. If 7 minus 8, now next step, 81 bracket 15 multiply by minus 1. So here I can say that minus 81 multiply by 15. So here which option is correct? 15 1 ja 15, carry 1, and here 1215. So here option number D is the correct answer. Now next question is that what is the sum of a natural number and a whole number? So you know what is natural number? All the counting numbers are called natural numbers. So I can denote natural number is equal to n, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. And a whole number which I represent by capital W, that is 0, 1, 2 and so. So let's assume, we take a natural number that is 1 and we take a whole number that is 0. If I add both the number, then I get 1. What is 1? That is the natural number. So I can say that the sum of a natural number and a whole number is always a natural number. Okay. Now if I talk about next question, that is what is the product of a place value of 2's in the given number? So here we have 4, 2, 8, 7, 2, 1. Here 2 is 2 times for this one and this one. So for this place we can say that 1 times the place value of first 2, that is 20, and the place value of second one, that 2 is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, that is we can say that 20,000. Now we have to find the product. Now product is equal to 20 multiplied by 20,000. So here 2 2 4 and I put here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. So which option is correct? Let's count 3 to 5 zeros. So option number A is correct over here. Now if I talk about next question, which of the following number is both a square and a cube? So we have to check these numbers and find out which one is the both a square and a cube. So if I talk about 81, 81 is the square of 9, but cube of 81 is not possible. If I talk about 100, 100 is the square of 10, but cube is also not possible. If I talk about 64, 64 is the square of 8 and it is the cube of 4. So we can say that option C is the correct answer over here, and D is also wrong. Now next question is that what is the sum of first 50 natural numbers? So here we have given the value of n is equal to 50. We know the formula, that is n bracket n plus 1 divided by 2c. Now put the value of n in the given formula. Now 50 bracket 50 plus 1 divided by 2. Now if I cut 2 1 2, 25 2 50. So I can say that 25 bracket 50 plus 1. So here 25 multiplied by 51. If I multiply 25 multiply by 51, then I get answer, that is 1275. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that if both A and B are divisible by 4, which of the following could be a possible difference the two numbers? So now we can say that here we have given two numbers A and B and both are divisible by 4. So let's assume a number A is equal to divisible by 4, I can say that, and another number B which is also divisible by 4, so I can say that this one. Now the difference between them, so I can take my subtraction. So difference A minus B is equal to 4m minus 4n. So here I take common 4, so m minus n. So here the difference is also divisible by 4. So check which number is divisible by 4. So is 6 is divisible by 4? Not possible. 18 is divisible by 4? Not possible. 22 is divisible by 4? Not possible. So here we can say that 16 is divisible by 4. So here option number D is the correct answer. Now next question is that a car covers a distance of 39.25 km using 2.5 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol. So here we have given that ki a car can run, can cover a distance 39.25 kilometer using 2.5 liter of petrol. So we have find the distance he cover in 1 liter petrol. So here we can say that 2.5 liter of petrol a car cover 39.25 kilometer distance. So for 1 liter petrol I can say that 39.25 divided by 2.5. If I remove this decimal and if I remove this decimal, then I can say that 10 upon 100. So 10, say 10 cancel out, and here 25 25 and here 157. So I can say that 157 upon 10 kilometer, that is 15.7 kilometer. Check which option is correct. Here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that what is the sum of first three common multiple of 3, 4, 9? So here we have given three numbers, that is 3, 4 and 9. We have to find the sum of first three common multiple of these numbers. So first we take LCM. So 3, 4, 9. We take LCM. Now first we take 2, 3, 2, 9. Again we take 2, 3, 1, 3. Now 3, 1, 9. Now again we take 3, 1, 1, 3. Now again we take 3, that is 1, 1, 1. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 ja 36. So first common multiple, that is 36, and another one is 72, and last one is 108. Now we have to find the sum of first three. The sum, we add all these numbers, 36 plus 72 plus 108. Now answer is 216. So here which one option is correct? Option number C is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, what does the sign of the sum of a positive or a negative integers depend? The sum of a positive integer or negative integers depends on. So let's assume we take a positive integer, that is positive 5, and we take a negative integer, that is minus 6. So we have to find the sum. Now 5 plus minus 6, that is 5 minus 6. Now here we take minus 1. So here the minus sign is depend on the greatest value of the number. So here greatest numerical values. Okay. Now next question is that if a and b are two integers, then which of the following may not be an integer? So let's assume we take two integers and a is equal to 5 and we take b is equal to 2. Now first we subtract. So a minus b is equal to 5 minus 2. The answer is 3, which is also an integer. Okay. Now next one, a multiply b. Now we take a multiply. Now we put the value of a is equal to 5. We put the value of b is equal to 2. Now 5 multiplied by 2, that is 10. 10 is also an integer. Now again, if I take third one, a divided by b, it means 5 is divided by 2. So I get here 2.5. That is not an integer. If I talk about addition, a plus b, that is 5 plus 2. Here we get 7. 7 is also integer. So which one is not integer? 2.5 is not integer. And so here we can say that option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, what is the nature of the product of a negative number by itself even number of times? So let's assume we take a negative number, that is minus 1. If I multiply this number by even number of times, let I take multiply first by 4 times, then I get result minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. So I get positive result. So here we can say that option number C is the correct answer. Now next question is that how many lines can be drawn through two distinct points in a plane? So suppose that we have a plane like this one and we have two distinct points. One is there and one is there. If I connect these 2 points, I can say that only one line can be drawn. So I can say that option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, in the given figure of point P, Q and O are cold. So here first we check where is point P. So here point P is here and point O is here and point Q is here. So I can say that these points are known, not on a single line. So these are collinear points, not possible. These are non-collinear points, yes. Congruent points, no. None of these, it is also known. So we can say that option number B is the correct answer. Collinear points are those points which are lie on the same line. So these points are not lying on the same line. So we can say that these are the non-collinear points. If I talk about next question, how many corners are in the triangular prism? So first we make triangular prism. So let's check. Yes, this is a triangle, and if I extend its side according to this, so I can say that this is a triangular prism. So how many corners are there? Corner number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of corners are 6. So we can say that option number A is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, that is simplify using brackets, that is 92 multiplied by 48. So simply here I can say that 92 multiplied by 48. Here we have used this sequence. So with of this we can solve this question. So 92 I can write here 100 minus 8. For 48 I can write here 50 minus 2. Simply if I multiply these numbers, I can say that 100 multiplied by 50 minus 100 multiplied by 2 minus 8 multiplied by 50 and plus minus, here minus and plus, and 8 multiplied by 2. Simply we have to calculate these. Now here 5000 minus 200 minus 400 plus 16. Now I add 16 and 5000. So I can say that 5016 minus 200 minus plus. So here the numbers are add and take negative sign. Now here I can say that 600. If I solve these question, now I can say that 4416. Now check the steps and put here. Now first is Q. I can say this one is the Q. Now next one is the R. So this one is the R, and finally this is the S, and last one is the P. So I can say that Q R S T. So here which one is the Q R S P? So Q R S P, option number B is the correct answer over here. If I talk about next question, which is already again based on the sequence based, so I can say that you solve the using distributive property, and this one is, so you know what is the distributive property. So first I explain, if a number is multiplied by with the according to addition, so I can say that A multiplied by B plus A multiplied by C. This is called the distributive property. So solve this question. Now 5437 multiplied by 1001. So here I can write here 5437 multiplied by 1000 plus 1. If I multiply, then I can say that 5437 multiplied by 1000 plus 5437 multiplied by 1. So 5437 plus 5437. If I add both these numbers, so I can say that 7 3 4 2 4 4 5. So let's check which option is the correct. So 5 4 4. Okay, now we check first the sequence. So here 54,000 multiply 5437 multiply by 1000 plus 1. So here first step is R. Now second one, if I check, second one is Q, and third one is P, and last and final one is that is S. So here sequence is R Q P and S. So R Q P and S. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is based on assertion or region. So question is that 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers which having common factors 1 and number itself. So I can say that 2, 3 and 5 are prime numbers, which is true. So adjacent is true. A number having 1 and itself is a factor are known as prime number. So yes, definition is also true. So we can say that adjacent and region both are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that adjacent, that is 253, 764, 722 is the correct in the international system of numeration, and region is 200, 000, comma 000 is the sequence of commas in the international system of numeration. If we talk about international system of numeration, so here we can say that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So the number is 253,764,722. So here we can say that assertion is true. If I talk about region is 200 million. So region is also true and the sequence of commas is also true. So here I can say that assertion is true and region is true, but region is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here both assertion and region are true, but region R is not the correct explanation of assertion. So here I can say that option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which of the following statement is R true or false? So here we have given 4 statements and we have to check which one is true and which one is false. So first is a horizontal line and a vertical line always intersect at right angle. So I can say that first we draw a horizontal line and I draw a vertical line, and these two lines are intersect to each other at an angle of 90 degrees. So 90 degree angle is called right angle. So I can say that this statement is true. A line with definite length is called a line segment. Yes, you can say that this one is also true. Two parallel lines are intersect at every point. So if I draw two parallel lines, and we know that parallel lines are always having a constant distance between them. So these are not intersecting. So I can say that this statement is false. The surface of the football is curved surface. Yes, this one is also true. So I can say that T, T, F, T. Check which option is correct. T, T, F, T. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now next question is that which of the following statement is are true or false? So here we have first, all integers are rational number. So you can say that suppose that we have an integer 5 and if I divided 1, then this is called rational number. Again, if I have an integer -5, if I divided by 1, then it is also a rational number. So we can say that this statement is true. Now second one, all the integers are whole numbers. No, that is not. Whole numbers are those numbers in which having natural number plus 0. But in integers we have also negative numbers. So we can say that all integers are not whole numbers. So here this one is false. All rational numbers are integers. So I can say that if I talk about 5 upon 2, so 5 upon 2 is a rational number, but it is not an integer because so I can say that this one is also false. And all integers are constant. So this one is true. So option is T, F, F, T. So T, F, F, T, option number C is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, again, which of the following statement is true or false? So here first is the natural number 1 has no predecessors. So this statement is true because natural numbers, that is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Whole numbers are not commutative under subtraction. So we can say that take two numbers. First is 9 and another one is 4. If I subtract these numbers, the 9 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 9 because 5 is not equal to minus 5. So we can say that again this statement is true. If I talk about third, there are 56 whole numbers between 24 and 81. So let's check how many whole numbers are between 24 and 81. So here 81 minus 24, so I get 57. Again minus 1 is equal to 56. So we can say that there are 56 whole numbers between 24 and 81. So here this statement is also true. If I talk about fourth option, if 78 multiply x plus 25 is equal to 125 multiplied by 78. Now if I compare, so I can say that 78 multiplied by x plus 25 is equal to 125 multiplied by again 78. So here 125 I can write here 100 plus 25 multiplied by 78. So according to this, if I compare, then the value of x is equal to 100. But here we have to show the value of x equal to 75. So I can say that this one is false. So option T, T, T and F. Check which one is correct. T, T, T and F. So here we can say that option number A is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, that is match the column 1 and column 2 and select correct answer using the code below. So here column 1, that is the numbers, and here column 2, that is based on Roman numbers. So here 2950. So 2000 it means MM, and here CLM. So I can say that P is connected to directly third. If I talk about 4037, it means 4037. So check where is 4m, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 37, that is 1, 10, 20, 30 and 7. So here we can say that Q is directly connected to 4. If I talk about R, so here 3231. So check where is 3000, 1, 2, 3, 3000, 3100, 3200, 210, 210, 230 and 31. So I can say that R is directly connected to 1, and last one is remaining part which is already connected to 2. So I can say that P is connected to 3 and Q is connected to 4 and R is connected to 1 and S is connected to 2. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, here option number D is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on match the column 1 and column 2, select the correct answer using the code below, let an operation, this one for two integers a and b means this one. So I can say that ki if this operation means we have to follow this one. So first p is equal to 2 minus 6. So I can say that 2 plus bracket minus 6 minus 2. So here answer is minus 6. So p is connected to minus 6. If I talk about next one, Q, that is minus 4 this minus 7. So I can write over here minus 4 plus minus 7 minus 2. So here minus 4 minus 7 minus 2 here. So I can say that minus 4 minus 9, that is minus 13. So minus 13. So I can say that Q is connected to 4. Now if I talk about R, that is minus 2 multiply minus 2 3. So I can say that minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So I can say that minus 4 plus 3. So here we can get minus 1. So let me check which one is correct to minus 1. So R is connected to minus 1. Now the last one is 3 days 4. So S is equal to 3 days 4. So I can say that 3 plus 4 minus 2. So here 7 minus 2. So answer is 5. Let me check where is 5. So I can say this one is. So here P is connected to third, P is connected to third, Q is connected to 4 here, R is connected to 1, this one, and last one is S is connected to 2, 5. So I can say that option number C is the correct answer over here. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on match the column 1 and column 2, select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have column 1 and here we have column 2. So I can say that a line which having two side arrow, then this is called line. Again array which have this is called line segment, and this is called simple subplane, and this is called ray. So here P is connected to third, Q is connected to 4, R is connected to 2 and S is connected to 1. So 3, 4, 2, 1. So here 3, 4, 2, 1 is the correct answer over here. So we can say that option number C is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that this question is based on paragraph, you can say that. So during Christmas celebration, Monu and her father purchased 3 beautiful bells and decorate their houses. They ring the 3 bells at the interval of 6 minutes, 8 minutes and 9 minutes respectively on a particular day. They ring the bells together at 9 am. So we have to find here LCM of 6 and 9. LCM of 6, 8 and 9. So here first we find LCM 6, 8 and 9. So first we take 2. So I can say that 3, 4 and 9. Again I take 2. So I can say that 3, 2, 9. Again I take 2. So I can say that 3, 1, 9. Again I take 3. So I can say that 1, 1, 3. Again I take 3. So I can say that 1, 1 and 1. If I multiply all these numbers, so I can say that 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24 and 24 3 ja 72. So I can say that the LCM of 6, 8 and 9 is 72. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the paragraph. So paragraph is during the Christmas celebration, Monu and her father purchased 3 beautiful bells and decorate their house. They ring at the 3 bells at the interval of 6 minutes, 8 minutes and 9 minutes respectively. On a particular day, they ring the bell together at 9 am. So I can say that ki first time bell ring at the 9 am. Now First I take the LCM of 6, 8 and 9 because these bells are ring together. So take LCM 6, 8 and 9. We know the LCM of 6, 8 and 9 is 72. So question is that ki how many times the three bells ring together by the end of the day. So one of the important thing here is that ki here we have asked end of the day. End of the day it means 12 o'clock midnight. So I can say that ki first bell ring at 9 am and end of the day that is 12 o'clock midnight. So how many hours between 9 am to 12 o'clock? That is 15 hours. So I can say that on a particular day the bell rings between the 15 hours. So this one is multiplied by 60 because we have to convert into minutes. So I multiply by 60 and I divided by 72. If I all this do, then I got 12.5. It means the bell ring 12 times. Okay. And one time the bell already ring, that is 9 am. So I can say that the total number of times bell ring on a particular day after 9 am, that is 13 times. So here option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the passage, yeah, you can say that based on paragraph. So paragraph is the population process are typically characterized process, birth and immigration and of death, emigration and catastrophe, which correspond to the basic demographic process and broad environmental effects to which a population is subject. The population of Telangana state in 2011 was this one, and the estimated population of state in 2003 is this one. So question number 49, that is we have to find the place value of 1. So let's, where is 1? So first we here take number 3, 5, 1, 9, 3, 9 and 7, 8. So here this is the one. Let's count 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 like. So I can say that this is the place value. So count how many zeros are there? 5. So check where is 5 zeros? Here, tier 1. So option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is again based on the same paragraph. So here what is the total population in 2011 and 2013? So I can say that total population population in 2011, again population in 2023. So just write down all these populations. So 3, 5, 1, 9, 3, 9, 7, 8, and last one is 3, 8, 1, 5, 7, 3, 1, 1. If I add this number, so I get 7, 3, 3, 5, 1, 2, 8, 9. So check where is the option. So here option number A is the correct answer over here. If you enjoy the paper, so please like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 6 reasoning conducted on 29 September 2024. Hope you performed very well. So let's start it. So question number 51. Find the number which will come in the place of the question mark in the given series. So find the next term of the given number series. So series is 4, 6, 9, 14. After 14 next is 21. After 21 next is missing. So find the missing number of the given series. So first find the pattern of the given series. So pattern of the given series is 4 plus 2, it means 6. Now 6 plus 3, it means 9. Now 9 plus 5, it means 14. 14 plus 7, it means 21. So this is the prime number sequence. Plus 2, plus 3, plus 5, plus 7. Now next is after 7. Next prime number is 11. So it means 21 plus 11. So 32. So 32 is the next term of the given number series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the next term of the given series. So given series is 5 K M 5. Next is N P 8 Q S 14 T V 26. So alphabet series is first alphabet series is taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of the first term is K, first alphabet of the second term is N, next is Q, next is T, and after T next is missing. So first find the pattern of the given alphabet series. So K it means 11, place value of N is 14, place value of Q is 17, place value of T is 20, and next is missing. So place value of K in English alphabet is 11. So 11 plus 3, it means 14. Now 14 plus 3, it means 17. Now 17 plus 3, it means 20. Similarly, 20 plus 3, it means 23. So it means W, because place value of W is 23 in English alphabet. So first missing alphabet is W. Now second alphabet series, now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is M. Now second alphabet of second term is P. Now second alphabet of third term is S. Next is V. After V next is missing. So place value of M in English alphabet is 13. Place value of P is 16. Place value of S is 19. Place value of V is 22. So pattern is 13 plus 3, it means 16. Now 16 plus 3, it means 19. Now 19 plus 3, it means 22. Now similarly 22 plus 3, it means 25. So it means Y, because place value of Y in English alphabet is 25. So second missing alphabet is Y. Now number series. So number series is 5, 8, 14, 26. Now next is missing. So find the pattern. So pattern of the number series is 5 plus 3, it means 8. 8 plus 6, it means 14. Now 14 plus 12, it means 26, plus 3, plus 6, plus 12. Now plus 24. So 26 plus 24, it means 50. So missing number is 50. So missing term is WY50. WY50 is the next term of the given series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Nita starting from point X and walked straight 5 km west, then turn left and walk 2 km, and again turn left and walked 7 km. Now in which direction is C from X? Before starting this question, as we know, there are 4 types of main direction. This is the north, this is the east, this is south, and this is west. And there are 4 cardinal direction. This is the northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, Nita starting from point X. So X is the starting point of Nita. Now Nita walking 5 km towards west. Nita walking 5 km towards west. Then turn left. This is the left of Nita. Now she turned left and walked 2 km. Another he turns left and walked 7 km. And this is the end point of Nita. This is the final point of Nita. Now in which direction is C from X? So this is the east of starting point X. This is the north of X, and this is the west of X, and this is the south of x and find the direction of the final point from point x. So final point is in southeast direction from the starting point. So here southeast, it means option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. If the mirror AB is placed vertically, then identify the correct mirror image of given alphabets. So in the mirror image, the part of an object which is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of E. So mirror image of E looks something like this. And now find the mirror image of T, and this is the mirror image of A, and this is the mirror image of N. Now find the mirror image of I. So mirror image of I looks something like this. And now find the mirror image of T, and then find the mirror image of S. So this is the mirror image of X. Now find the mirror image of B. So this is the mirror image of B. Now find the mirror image of O. So this is the mirror image of O. So here option A is the correct mirror image of the given alphabet. So here A is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the correct voter image of the given figure. From the given answer figure, assume that voter is along XY. So this is the voter. Now find the voter image of given figure. So in the voter image, the part of an object is near the voter, so it will remains near the voter in the voter image. So voter image of given figure looks something like this. So this is the correct voter image of given figure. So here option A is the correct voter image of given question. So now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. In a row of 13 persons, Alex is sitting 255 place from the left end and 412th place from the right end. Find out the total number of person in that row. So given is place position of Alex from the left is 285, and now place of Alex from the right end is 412, and now find the total number of person in that row. So total number of person, so formula is left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So left position of Alex plus right position of the Alex minus 1. So left position of Alex is 285 and right position of Alex is 412 minus 1. 285 plus 412, it means 697 minus 1. 697 minus 1, it means 696. So total number of person in that row is 696. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So now move on to the next question. Now next question is question number 57. If multiply means divide, now minus means multiply, now divide means plus, and plus mean minus, then find the value of given expression. So expression is 4 minus 15 divided by 12 multiply by 8 plus 9. Find the value of given expression. First substitute the sign. So 4 minus means multiply 15. Now divide means plus 12 bracket multiply means divide 8 plus means minus 9. Now using BODMAS rule. So first solve the brackets. So 4 multiply by 15. 4 multiply by 15. 4 multiply by 15, it means 60 plus 12. Now divided by 8 minus 9. 60 plus 12, it means 72. 72 divided by 8 minus 9. Now 72 divided by 8, it means 9. 9 minus 9, it means 0. So value of given expression is 0. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If the numbers 18 and 30 are interchanged, 18 and 30 are interchanged, then which of the following equation can be correctly balanced? So taking option one by one. So according to option A, 35 divided by 5 multiply by 5 plus 30. 30 it means 18 minus, now 18 it means 30, because 18 and 30 are interchanged, is equals to 23. Using BODMAS rule in this expression, so 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5, it means 7 multiply 5 plus 18 minus 30. Now multiply the numbers. So 7 multiply by 5, it means 35 plus 18 minus 30 is equals to 23. Is equals to 23. 35 plus 18. 35 plus 18, it means 53 minus 30 is equals to 23. So 53 minus 30, it means 23 is equals to 23. So here option A is the correct answer of this question, because 23 always equals to 23. So option A is the correct answer of this question. Now let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 59. Choose a figure which would most closely resemble the unfolded from figure C. So first unfold the figure C, then we got figure B. Now unfold the figure B, then we got figure A, and find unfold the figure A, because A shows the unfolded paper. So find the image of A. So first unfold the C. So unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold the C, then we got figure, figure B. This is the figure B. Now unfold the figure B. Now unfold the figure B. This is the figure B. Now unfold the figure B. Now unfold the figure B, then we got figure A, and figure A shows the unfolded paper. So when we unfold the figure B, then we got figure A. So unfold the figure B and find the mirror image in each case. So mirror image of this case like this, mirror image of this like this, mirror image of this, and mirror image of this. So this is the unfolded paper. This is the figure A, and figure A shows the unfolded paper. So here option B is the correct unfolded paper. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Now question number 60. Choose the figure from the given alternative which closely resembles figure Z. Same. Now first unfold the Z, then we got figure Y. Now unfold the figure Y, then we got figure X, and figure X shows the unfolded paper. So it means find the image of X. So first unfold the Z. when we unfold the Z, then we got figure Y. So this is the figure Z. Now unfold the figure Z. So when we unfold the figure Z, then we got figure X, and this is the figure X. This is the figure Y. Now unfold the Y. Now unfold the Y. Now unfold the Y and find the mirror image in each case. So when we unfold the Y, so this image look like this. So it means option C is the correct unfolded paper. So option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, so please log in the website and click Ask the Doubt option and write your doubt there. Any new information related to Matrix Olympiad will be updated on this YouTube channel. So please subscribe the channel for more updates, and you can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.